So me and my boy Caleb, we're about to set out. Here we go. This is the plan. We're gonna go catch them. Caleb and I are out here knocking it out, trying to make it to our secret little creek. Caleb's loving it because he's liking the splash. No, backed him up. Pretty soon he's gonna be in my lap. I told him years ago, I said, son, when you're 30, it's gonna be a little weird, but I guess you can still take the laps in the house. How we do it in a kayak. We're getting a little bit wet. Having fun. My kayak running over. Like my kayak lineman, Caleb, you're blocking for me.
Glad I could help.
Yep. Glad you're here. There's a little bird right beside us. How cool is that? Hey, little bird. Little one. There's the sun. There you go. Keep his head down. Keep his head down. Don't let him shake. Keep him silent. Okay, we've got himself one. Here we go. Not quite keeper, but it's nice. Nice. Get up, baby. Get up, baby. Best can shout. I don't know. He might be close. He's close. It's buzzing. That's a keeper. Get it, boy. Another keeper trout. Yep, got one. Good. It's feeling like a little red, but he's moving like a trout. Ooh. It's a good trout right here. Good trout. Hey, do you have the net? Be careful. That's a good trout right there. That might be my one. Over 19. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, fish. Son. Look at that jigger. Yeah, look at that pretty jigger. Thank you, Lord. Let's get on him, dude. Yeah, that jigger's right at. Yeah, 20. 20. That's a good one.